How to change Facebook chat settings. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Messenger application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Then tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Here, simply select on the settings option. As you tap on the settings option, scroll down and there is no specific chat settings option available over here. So what you can do over here is make sure that you have toggled on the option of chat heads. So next what you can do is tap on the notifications and sounds and make sure you toggle on all the options over here. Next go back and then tap on privacy and safety. Tap on message delivery and select who can message you over here on Messenger. Then scroll down and tap on read receipts. So if you want to access the people to be able to see when you have read the messages, you can just toggle on this option. So this shows the read receipt. After that, tap on active status. So if you want to show when you're active, you can just toggle on this option. And if not, you can just toggle off this option as well. After that, it's all done. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.